y'all, this is Reagan with Go Reagan, and today we are unboxing a Too Good To Go order with HEB barbecue. So let's see what we have. We're gonna start with this first tub. Which is, I believe, some sort of chopped brisket. That sounds amazing. I'm actually going on a field trip tomorrow with my school, with my day program, so I will probably be packing that in my lunch. The next one is a surprise tub as well, and we will see what it is. It looks like beans.
Red beans and rice.
Red beans and rice, which is another one of my favorites, so that's 2 A+ right there. The last one, or maybe the second one, let's see for a minute. Cream corn. I love this for me. Seems to be all of my favorite foods so far. And this last one is a giant box of a potato. A baked potato, ladies and gentlemen. Camera woman, if you will cue in to the baked potato. That is the most random food item I've ever seen, but I'm so excited to take all of this with me for lunch tomorrow. So thanks HEB for sponsoring my field trip lunch tomorrow. So glad y'all joined me for this unboxing, and see you in the future for some other ones. See y'all next time. Bye.